Hey there, quick review of these Rhino soft loops, really handy. Rhino USA makes some fantastic products. These have a working load limit of about 3,500 pounds and 10,500 pounds brake strength. Now you'll notice these look really nice. They're about 1.5 inches wide, feel great. All of the stitching looks fantastic on this. On one end, you're gonna have a standard straight loop, and then on the other end, your loop is going to have a half twist. That is important because whenever you wrap this around a handlebar or something that you want to protect, you want to get a nice flat loop all the way across and distribute that weight so you're not going to damage anything. So this is going to be fantastic for handlebars, all kinds of stuff, but just a really nice product. And then you can just obviously hook your standard ratchet strap metal loop onto the other end. So 4-pack here, really nice stuff. I love Rhino USA. Everything that I've bought from them has been fantastic, and I'd highly recommend these.